What's happening, guys? I'm Aiden from DK Tune. Today's video is on this gorgeous Astra VXR in for a Scorpion catback and an Airtec induction kit. So let's get it. So as you can see, the old airbox is now out of the Astra VXR and Shane's getting to work on putting the new tube into the back of the engine. It's a little bit of a pain in the arse as it goes down behind the engine. Obviously the engine's extremely hot and then into the turbo around the back. So it goes from that into obviously the new Airtec foam air filter, and we also have the nice little Airtec heat shield as well to hold it all in place and stop the heat soak. So hopefully we're going to get some nice induction noises and hopefully some really nice cool air as well. So as we can see underneath the Astra, the exhaust is almost off. And then we're going to be moving on to putting the Scorpion exhaust on as well. So underneath the Astra VXR, the whole of the exhaust is now off up to the back. And this is the new Scorpion system, which looks loads better. And hopefully is going to make it sound loads better as well, as the car was very quiet before. Hopefully it's going to be a little bit louder. And we're going to get some big turbo noises, blood. So as we can see on the Astra VXR, the new Airtec intake system is now on the car. So we're going to get loads of big boosting noises and everything. And it's going to be absolutely sick.
Right guys, so we're mapping the Astra J VXR as well. We're using CMD to take the read off the ECU. Once we've got that, we're going to be modifying it. Now, because of the modifications on this, it hasn't got the primary and secondary D caps or an intercooler, so we're just going to be applying the strong stage 1 for this. But we should see around sort of 320 horsepower when it's tuned. We did one last week that made 322, I believe. So we're just extracting that now and we're going to go and modify it. So now guys, we are writing the modified file back into the Astra J VXR, again using CMD. Stage 1 tune is going in, so once it's done, we'll go out to the customer, make sure they're happy. Job's a good one.
So we're just going out with Jake in the Astra VXR just to make sure everything's okay for the customer and see how fast it is basically. It's now started to rain, so obviously it's going to be a little bit slippy, so we just need to be a little bit more careful. So we're not going to be all guns blazing like we normally would. So we're just going to do a couple of gentle pulls and see what it's like. Gee, that's all right, isn't it?
Pulls all right, actually.
Yeah, I think the customer's going to be happy with this.
Yeah, he's well happy.
Oh, he's happy already?
Yeah, he loves the sound of the induction, he heard it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it does sound good. The induction kit does sound really good on this, especially on cold start. It sounds like it's a jet starting up. Oh, spinning in second. Yo, this is really aggressive, isn't it?
Yeah.
This map's pretty aggressive on this car. I think with the other one that we did the other day as well, that was really aggressive as well. These just seem to really be woken up by a map, an induction kit, and obviously he had the exhaust done as well.
I think this one's slightly faster, to be honest.
Huh?
I think this one is slightly faster.
Yeah, the other one made 325 brake horsepower.
Oh.
I'm sure this one will be pushing about the same. So yeah, it's really aggressive. It really wakes up these cars, makes it really enjoyable to drive. Winding up, winding up, winding up. proper comes in hard, that does, doesn't it? Oh, I like it. I like this car, I like it. So as you can see, we have the Astra VXR back in the workshop. It's loads quicker and sounds loads better as well. Really, really aggressive boost on it as well. So if you want, like him, a stage 1 and exhaust work, then please do not hesitate to message us on Instagram and Facebook, and we'll see you in the next one.